Technically, it is an onerous donation. However, with the part of the Laoag City government, um, it is not taken in its regular sense that it is onerous, because the only counterpart that we are going to meet on on our end, Your Honors, is to place a logo of Boysen in any conspicuous area of the Laoag City General Hospital, Your Honor, and a plaque of appreciation on our part, so that they could be recognized for their efforts, Your Honor. Um, there is no partnership to speak of, Your Honor, because they are only to give or donate the materials, um, the painting materials and other paint related materials, in order to meet this end of repainting the Laoag City General Hospital, Your Honor. And also may I add, Your Honors, that we have initially tapped the participation of our Office of City Engineering as to the labor cost of the said repainting of the Laoag City General Hospital, and they have issued a quotation or labor cost, Your Honor, such that we have found out that to complete the repainting of the Laoag City General Hospital, they have quoted the amount 2,671,000. I am perusing the copy of the labor cost to the honorable body for their reference, Your Honor. However, upon knowing from the engineering as to the steep amount of the labor for the repainting, Your Honor, we have again requested for the presence, or we have called the representative of Boysen Philippines, and we have found out that they are also willing to shoulder the labor for the repainting, Your Honor, such that the labor cost shall be forgone, and all will be expenses paid by the Boysen Philippines, Your Honor.
So you mean to say, attorney, that materials and labor will be shouldered by Boysen, Apo?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the amount is roughly how much for the materials, Apo?
As to the materials, Your Honor, they are on presently on the process of determining the area. Or actually, the city engineering has already perused the copy of the actual area of the Laoag City General Hospital, a copy of which was not yet furnished to our office. However, it was already furnished to the representative of the Boysen himself already, Your Honor. So that
Apo, Sec, please take note that after the completion of the painting of the said hospital, if we do proceed, it is just right that we pass a resolution of commendation to Boysen Philippines for those enormous donation that they gave to the city, Apo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sponsored by all members.
Yes, Your Honor.